Hi, buddy. What's you been doing today? Did you have a good Christmas? Did you have a good Christmas, baby? Yeah? You did? Oh, my sweet boy. Are you my sweet boy? Simmer sick, baby. Him's got a cold. Yeah. You're a sweet baby, aren't you? Yes, you are. I love you. You love me. We're a happy little squirrel family with a great big hug and a mood from me to you. Mwah! Won't you say you love Mama too? Boop, love boop, boop, boop. Oh, thank you. Oh, you want me to hold your head? Okay. Okay, Mama, hold your head. He's a weirdo. He likes it when I hold his head like this. I love you, Mama. Love you, Mama. I'm sick, baby. I'm sick, baby. I've got a cold. Oh, you're gonna groom me? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, babies. Thank you so much. Okay, say good night. Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite, okay, y'all? Bye-bye. Oh, goodness gracious. What was that? Oh, you're gonna groom me? Oh, thank you. He says, no, not yet. I gotta groom you, lady. Say, you're looking awfully filthy, Mama. I gotta groom you. I got to groom you. Oh, okay. Good night, baby. We'll get you to bed. Love you. Love you so much.